Hey, what's going on YouTube? I wanted to show you or share with you all my pocket hole jig, Kreg Pocket Hole Jig 720p. It's the unboxing of it. Just want to show you how it was all contained and what was all in the boxes here. It's a great tool, a great addition, a better upgrade, much better upgrade than the Kreg jig that the handheld Kreg jig that I was using. This tool goes onto your workbench, and so it's something that you can clamp down. You can have your work pieces, your woodworking pieces in and out of this tool, this jig here, as you drill the pocket holes and put your work together. So just want to show you guys this unboxing. I think it's a really cool product so far. The drill holes that you see on the left of the jig are lined with metal, so it's so far so good. I'm very happy for this little upgrade. So I'll be quiet now and let you all just see the unboxing and the reboxing. And if you stay towards the end, you'll see me actually use the woodworking, the jig on some wood pieces that I'm drilling pocket holes for. So hope you enjoy. See you in the next video. And I know I said earlier that I was going to not say anything, but the pocket hole jig, as you see, as I put this wood into the pocket hole clamp, I just insert it in, clamp it down. It self-adjusts to whatever size of wood that you're drilling the pocket holes into. So if you have a smaller piece, a 1x or a 2x, I think all the way up to 2.5 inches thick, it will just self-adjust to your woodworking, and you just basically just push down and clamp, and it makes the pocket hole process much faster, quicker, much more reliable, I think. And yeah, so that's it. Just wanted you guys to see that part. So I'll be doing more woodworking videos here on this channel. I changed the name to Handcrafted by Barrington. So just stay tuned for more woodworking videos and renovations.